Let's check out the tuner audio effect. I'm going to load it to an audio track. I have a guitar connected on input 2. Let's arm it. Put the monitor on auto so we can hear it. We grab my guitar. Nice. So the tuner is just like any other guitar tuner, but it's inside Ableton so we can do more things with it. So first of all, let me play a note on the guitar. Nice. We can see it. I can tune it. Excellent. Now right here in the tuner, I can change the reference point or the reference pitch to change to a different pitch. Most instruments are tuned to 440, but of course there's the famous 432. So I can tune all my instruments to 432. Excellent. I can also change the cents, instead of showing cents, to show frequency or hertz, which is great. And I can also change it to be in the middle target to just a strobe, which will just show me the colors if it's sharp or flat. Nice. Here I can also go to the histogram view, which will show me a different view. And I can also zoom out. And I can also turn off the auto, so it's always stay in the same position, instead of automatically changing up and down. Excellent. Now, let's say I go back to 440. Now, we don't really have to tune only guitars or line instruments. We can even use it for our own voice. Let me change the input to my microphone input. As you can see, it tells me what pitch I am, so it's really great for ear training and voice training. And you can even put samples on it. Now, if the sample is too short, let's load like a kick here. It won't recognize it because the sample is just too short. But if we put a longer sample here, let's load like a 808 or some sort. Now it can detect what pitch it is. Let's go back to the classic view. And we can tune our samples as such. The tuner won't also detect any chord. So let's play a chord here. I'm going to change the input to my guitar. Just play a chord. All right, so it won't pick it up because it's just multiple notes at once. It expect only one note at a time. Tuner, very simple device, very cool to tune your instruments, of course, or even tune your samples, but it does need a longer sample, a very short sample. You will have to use the spectrum, which we'll cover in a different video.